Welcome back, Armchair Outdoor enthusiasts. About a month ago, I did a blog post called Ireland in a Backpack, in which I really just raved about this pack being the only one you need if you plan on backpacking in Ireland. However, I'd like to do a video now about what I brought with me to Ireland and why. So I'm dressed right now as if I was boarding the plane, and I've spread out the rest of my gear in front of me that will go in my backpack. Let's talk about that now. I brought my waterproof Gore-Tex pants and jacket, an Arc'teryx jacket with a hood, 2 pairs of Columbia pants, one of which I'm wearing, 3 pairs ex officio boxers, one of which I'm wearing, 3 pairs darn tough wool hiking socks, one of which I'm wearing, 3 wool icebreaker t-shirts, one of which I'm wearing, 1 wool watch cap, 1 wool buff, which is kind of like a neck gaiter or balaclava, 1 wool icebreaker lodge shirt, a pair of Evolve Cruiser approach shoes. I wore my 510 guide tennies that I treated so they'd be a bit more waterproof. I also wore a Petzl belt, an assortment of Patagonia black hole cubes that I put everything in to keep it organized, a simple water-resistant map of Ireland. I'll open it up right now and show you what it looks like. It has a nice layout of Dublin and the touristy spots to go to. It also has a good map of Ireland with plenty of towns and cities so that you know where you're at all times. A basic zip-up wallet with a lanyard so I could attach it to my belt. A Write in the Rain case that held my space pens and Write in the Rain journal, along with a backup copy of my passport. I brought my passport in an RFID case, and I brought some RFID sleeves for the 2 credit cards that I brought. A black diamond headlamp with a set of spare batteries. A little medical kit with bandages and some medicine, along with sunscreen, lip balm, and some bug spray. My Sea to Summit adapter sleeping sheet. A platypus water reservoir, sunglasses and a case to put them in, a camera, extra batteries, a case to put it in, and a tripod that I never used, a USB power adapter for the outlets in Ireland, and a cable to charge my cell phone, a pair of earbuds which I used on the plane, all of my toiletries in the baggies that are required for travel. I have deodorant, shampoo, toothpaste, toothbrush, Kleenex, and wet wipes, along with an assortment of gum, lozenges, and anything else I needed, like a razor to shave with. Finally, I brought my inflatable X-Bed pillow and a small packable towel just in case. Before I pack all of this up, I want to mention that I treated all of my clothing with permethrin to help deal with any insects. Alrighty then, let me show you how easy all of this is to pack up. Let's wrap this video up now with some final thoughts. My pack weight is only 17 pounds, and I think that's pretty good. There are a few things that I would switch out. I'd bring sandals next time instead of my Evolve Cruisers. I'd bring my Sony action camera and waterproof case to get some better video. I'd bring some shorts to wear on the really hot days. And I didn't do any sleeping outdoors, but if I did, I'd bring a sleeping bag and a tent or bivvy. Lastly, there's a few items that weren't in the video, but I did bring them with me. I brought a book, or if you like, a Kindle would be great. And there's a few items I brought that I ended up leaving in Ireland because it didn't make any sense to have them. First, I brought some sleepwear, and I really didn't need it. This t-shirt and my shorts that I would bring next time are perfect for sleeping in. Second, I brought an extra long sleeve shirt and a base layer top and bottom, which I just didn't need. I packed quite a few snacks and granola bars, but if you ask for extras on the plane ride over, you'll have plenty when you land in Ireland. That about wraps up this video. I'll put a link in the description to a blog post about the specifics of the gear that I brought with me to Ireland. I hope it's been helpful, and I hope it inspires you to do more traveling and backpacking around the world. As always, happy trails!